Yes, it does have rubber wheels and is of a two-piece construction, so you can even do this. This is the 2021 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing, a Super Chase variant from the Diecast of 2025. The car features a metal body finished in this beautiful metallic orange paint, although it's not spectra filling unlike Hot Wheels Super Chase. On the plastic base, you'll find the model name, the casting code, the country of manufacture, Thailand, together with some exhaust and suspension detailing. At the front, we get detailed headlights and a fully painted grille with the Cadillac logo right in the center. Take a closer look. Notice how the black grille is painted on separately from the orange bodywork. Very nice attention to detail. Moving on to the sides, since this is a Super Chase, it is equipped with special two-piece 5-spoke wheels wrapped in rubber tires. You also spot molded side mirrors, door handles, and a black window trim along the top edge. Around the back, you get detailed taillights, the Cadillac logo, and a custom SC license plate. Plus, CT5 and V badges are printed clearly on the left and right sides. Another small detail, there's even a molded wiper detailing on the front windshield. In terms of performance, the car rolls well, but I noticed that it's a bit noisy at higher speeds. It has a hollow sound. As for weight, the car feels solid in the hands, coming in at around 33 grams. And that's the 2021 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing Super Chase. Definitely one of the coolest Matchbox releases of this year. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, feel free to stick around. There's a lot more unboxings and first looks coming real soon. See you next time.